Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. So to fix that, let me show you how you can do it. So if you want to access your Snapchat account that may be temporarily disabled for various reasons, such as you attempt to log in too many times in a short period, if this happens, you are sure that you have the correct login details, please wait 48 hours before trying to log in again. Or you are using more than one Snapchat account. Sometimes Snapchat may detect that you are using more than one Snapchat account, especially if one of those accounts that has violated their terms of service. If this happens, you may not be able to use Snapchat on your device for an extended period of time. Please try waiting 48 hours before logging in again and be sure to adhere to the Snapchat's terms of service. So yeah, this is how you can access your Snapchat account that has been temporarily disabled. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next one.